Hey Masters, what's up? It's Seth and
Chip.
I took like a long time. So today we'll be making slime, but not just normal shaving cream glue and all that slime. We'll be making disgusting poop slime.
And it's got like corn bits and
Yeah,
flies.
Jet's
It's not real.
Jet's already opened it, so I'm gonna open mine. Okay, this is what it comes in. Sorry about the rattling.
Oh,
Whoa.
this feels nice.
Actually has corn in it.
This feels nice, guys.
So,
No, I better not pop this.
okay, so this
Guys, and if you didn't realise, we've got a haircut.
yeah.
Brown dye.
Sorry, comment if I look. Ew, these corns are squishy.
White glue.
Sorry,
Wait, what?
get your instructions. The instructions say,
I'll just use your instructions.
okay, so 21 mils of warm water. Okay, I suck at measuring, but is that 21 or 27? Hang on. $71 of that corn flour. So, get this. Sorry about me just reading without paying attention to the Sophie fan. No, master. Why am I saying master? I meant to say master. Are you serious? I'm just gonna pretend nothing happened.
Like, I better not eat this.
And this is mine, excuse me.
No.
You know cornstarch.
Did I just eat this?
Cornstarch is edible,
What?
but it doesn't taste. Whoa. Okay, just gonna meet you when we clean up. Now I know what I'm putting in the thumbnail. Gone wrong. Meet you when we're done. We're still not done. Okay, so we're not done cleaning up, but we're kids, so come on, like, it doesn't matter. Okay, so
I don't know how much to put.
so I'm just gonna get some water. You can wait there and talk to the masters.
I don't know how much. I'll just do normal amount. I just spilled it. Damn it, no. Come on, I can't keep on. Come on, I can't spill this. It's on my hands. And we go. No. Everything's flowing. Get off my glue. Get off. Just quick update what it looks like so far. It's just powder. Bye.
Yeah. So you're black now.
Now do we mix? Sure.
Oh, okay. So it's
How do we mix?
I'm sorry. Now, according to the instructions,
Oh, it feels like
oobleck, or black, whatever you call it.
oobleck. Yeah, it does.
Oh, well, yeah, that's someone.
White glue.
We forgot the glue.
We need glue.
Yep, white's glue. At the whole thing, because we savage, aren't we? Oh no. Oh, okay. What are you doing? You sound like Dennis. Dennis does that. Whoa, this looks like I'm painting a cake. Now we have to mix. Here's the bad part, mixing. Please turn into slime.
Come on.
Whoa.
Spoon. We have a spoon.
I use chopsticks for.
I'm going to use my spoon because the chopstick doesn't last. Can't even feel lumps. No.
This isn't even.
I can't even. It's mine. It's just liquid.
Me too.
There's no bumps.
I'm gonna add the whole packet of this. Whoa. This is turning out to be out of control.
The wind is crazy today. Come on, more white glue.
Hopefully it's slime, hopefully.
We do have some spare white glue, but not much. This is not going well. Way better.
Are you
Now
serious? I don't like this slime. Okay, maybe we should have followed the instructions. Because, oh, it looks so good on there, but, like, reality.
Mine just.
Have you got any more spare cornstarch? I need it.
don't. No.
I need
That's
this.
mine.
Oh,
Oh,
it's going everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, I'll go in with the hands.
Oh, something just flipped.
I'm going in with the hands.
Whoa, this is going good, mine.
Yeah, Jet's is good, but mine isn't.
You need more cornstarch. Wait, can I mix it?
I'm just gonna go.
No, guys. Comment down below if you know how to make this.
Oh my goodness, where did I put my instructions? Okay. So it says.
Yep, my spoon is sinking. Goodbye.
I'm just gonna. Where is my. Where is it? Where is the brown
I think
Food colouring.
I think we don't need this much
food colouring? Has anyone got the food colouring?
I've got it.
Or can I have the food colouring?
How do you use it?
Yeah.
That's mine. You should have your own. Mine is just liquid again.
By the way, Ryan is entered into the giveaway. No one else is. How do you
before. Mine is just liquid. Seriously. Gotta go wash my hands.
I'm putting the flies in and the corn.
Hey, did it in mine?
No, mine.
Hey, you put a fly in mine.
No, put a fly in mine.
What? I need to do.
Can you open that?
My hands are too
I'm
red.
just gonna.
Is that blood?
No.
Here it is. I don't know why I'm bleeding. Don't know at all.
The barber. The barber killed us. He had a haircut today. Are you serious? Why did I do that? I'm going and bite them dead. Maybe we shouldn't be savage and we should just follow the instructions.
Guys, but we can't get any more of these, so hopefully we can make more cornstarch. Because if you put too much of the water in.
I know.
Too much water. Guys, this just looks like brown liquid. Now it just looks like red. Seriously. We'll need more cornstarch because mine's going to be mega brown, so... I want mega brown. Just looks like chocolate milk. I need more cornstarch. This is worse. We shouldn't have followed the instructions. That's why they're always there for you to follow. But we didn't. So that's why the slime is done. Dead. Not working. Guys, I'm going to show you my not slime. And right now it just looks like red juice.
I got the strongest slime ingredient in the world.
Do you want to see my red? I
It's,
added all my food colouring and it's red.
this is a weapon. Borax. Hopefully this makes our slimes work.
Mine's just going to be red.
Oh yes, it's working.
But
Forming a slime in there.
yep, look at that. Oh yeah, it's not much actually.
Whoa.
Borax to the rescue.
I told you it was a weapon.
Well, my stick is like fairy floss. Pink fairy floss. Oh my god, guys. Look at
This is turning out to be a well slime now. It feels so fluffy though, but it's not. It's like, I don't know how to explain. Are you serious, Jet?
what? The picture looks like lots.
You know, borax wasn't in the recipe.
Alright. I thought you got cornstarch. Mine is... I just need to empty this weird juice thing, then it will be perfect.
Borax, you saved my life.
Now,
But it's not
well, oh
stretchy.
no.
It's just
Oh
flour.
no, where's my corn? Where's my corn?
It's just
Corn?
floury.
Corn? Flies? Corn? Flies? Corn? Flies?
Got my corn and my
Corn?
flies.
Flies? Corn? Flies? Corn? Flies?
Borax ruins all slimes, but actually it made a slime.
Corn? Flies? Flies? Corn? Where is my corn? Where's my flies? Say, where are my corn?
I found a corn in your slime.
I know that. I put that in there. But where's my flies? And the rest of the corn.
How
Guys,
do we make... This is actually...
I just got one piece of corn.
I'm going to call this clay. How about we... This is basically clay. Not going to lie.
I need to empty this water. Because
Crap. Oh, oh no, we're going to be dead, Jet. We better just pause the video. So guys, I'm just going to clean up and end this video. Goodbye.